If the engine as a whole is an economy, then the combustion chamber is its central marketplace, a place of high stakes, high speed transactions where the fundamental laws of supply and demand play out in milliseconds. In any economy, you have suppliers who provide goods and services and consumers who create demand for them. A healthy economy keeps these two forces in a delicate balance. In the combustion chamber, the supply is the massive volume of highly compressed air delivered by the engine's compressor section. The demand is created by the fuel system, which injects a fine mist of kerosene into that super pressurized air. The goal is to achieve the perfect air-to-fuel ratio. If you inject too much fuel for the amount of air available, so excess demand, you get an inefficient, smoky fire. This is like an overheated economic boom fueled by cheap credit, where too much money chases too few goods, leading to waste and instability. In an engine, this condition can cause the flame to become unstable or even extinguish itself entirely, a dangerous event known as a flame. On the other hand, if you inject too little fuel for the air, insufficient demand, the fire will be weak and may not produce enough energy to keep the engine running. Kinda similar to an economic recession where a lack of spending brings commerce to a halt. Engineers refer to the ideal mixture as the stoichiometric ratio, but we can think of it in Fraga's terms as the gold standard of internal combustion. It's that perfect stable point where every molecule of fuel is matched with the right number of oxygen molecules to achieve a complete, clean, and powerful burn. Modern engines use sophisticated computer systems called FADECs, full authority digital engine control, to constantly monitor conditions and adjust the fuel flow with incredible precision. These systems act like a hyper-aware central bank, making thousands of micro adjustments per second to maintain that perfect balance, ensuring the engine performs efficiently, whether it's idling on the tarmac or at full throttle climbing through a storm. This constant dance between air and fuel highlights a core economic principle that Fraga would appreciate. Balance is not static, it is dynamic. A healthy system, whether economic or mechanical, must be able to adapt to changing conditions while maintaining its core equilibrium.